Jatuh okey na?
Tekulum kha. Sing Saimano Chini Tipramotha Party Chini Bobagarani Netrite Boni leadership Chini first round of talk Chini Omkha Tiprasa Ekot na Tuyui Chini Patin Hoite Borong Manang Bikarangkol Chini President Chini Bobagara Borokoni attend Khaika Sing detail Khobor Mangkha Chini Bobagara Bhaina on message Khaika Cox Havka. In the first round of discussion and dialogue is very positive note. Bani bagi sing jotton asa khainai je tini o tiprasa according to ye tini dirgho boshor total 75 years of suffering, injustice suffering. We have lost our land right, we have lost our cultural language and development. All are affecting to our people. So, bani bagai tini first round talk, onek kok salai khain knao, abang chung detail chung salai nai, table chung salai nai. Tamke ane request obono, tini all talk ni jorawo, tini jot to leadership, all category of leadership, all level of leadership, chung intake matong nai, chung thancha matong nai. Sing Kathalai Matonai, Hanklaisi, and Kakawa, central government and state government of Tripura, Boro respect Hainai, Chini dialogue no, Chini accord no, Available and Jotan Koinai, Sing Joramari Nai, Sing Manai Sinas and patient Matonai. They will come Haina Gay, time Nango, patient Nango, Avanibagui, and has a senior leader of Tipramotha, and appeal Haina, request Haina, Juni Rang and file, Chini leader of no. That Chini all connotation Dotono Tansanai Hambai Maranai, they especially Bubagaras Hambai Maranai, both day and night, both some Kaitongo, Chini Dofaniba Hani by Cox Haitovo, Avanibagi, Jumpini, and the Lake and Kusi, Dototi Brabasi, Doton Chini, young generation of Chini educated people, unemployed people, Chini Dotono, the Lake and excited, so on the Horitongo, our own Koinai. Teibu chung Saimano chini kabang machini baron bisingo kabang negative thought negative mentality kok nai tongo wage chung kok hanar sikam ang abon koi nai jekun leader no ning tam khlaikya chung tam khlaikya nin achievement tamo chung chini achievement phunumaya gai onek boro chung criticize khlayo ninda khlayo abilai chaya ang obon koi nai je sak sar chintama khlainai ang busuk juratui ani somasno contribute khlaikya ang ekjon ব্যক্তি হিসাবে গই ang tam khlaikan dofane bagoi ang tam khlaik ane hane bagoi obna जों mawan chungnai जों kun khlaimia जों kun achievement phunumaya goi जों hain ereng kok samani abelege chaya ang kabangma social media ang waske tong nai tongo wang boro criticism khlayo wang boro ulta palta kok sawo obrona belege chaja gya जों tini manai sin jora manai sinai teibu जों obna realize ma khlainai hese individual hisabe goi hese leader hisabe goi ang somasiboi tam khaika ang somasno tam rimen kha obna जों mawang chunai boniba ang koinai chini talk cholai tamo chini first round talk nai ang khana ko jaga protect march no waisa ba 2 mas bisingo ekbar meeting nai first round second round talk nai जों bokrok complete nai जों saimia phiaba जों pressure maronai जों central government state government जों pressure maronai through pressure through chini combined pressure dokangkai ang khago chini o dialogue success nai tei kabang ma dalam bisi kabang ma aro nini abo item tongo kam agenda tongo abro chung details sing salaya ko ang asunum sanai je belai ke hambai maro chini bubagara no tei chini bikaran khulno boroni leadership bo sing tini chini constitutional solution ba chin te prasani bagai chin thinang ni bagai for the future generation bagai sing kaham khaine hang asa khlayo
acha central government ba haste o kono no ni choba nuk ja gata nga bom hai no pressure nai ang
pressure ni ora koma meaning tongo
yes
sudu movement by violence by abo pressure ya जों through chini lobby sing ma bas ma khlainai जों joto leader no omhai koma kaida tongo ang जों salainai bantui जों salainai जों top leadership ni जों obotoi wan soi tongo जों bo system mo bo kaida bo sembor pressure ronai kobang pressure kong idea tongo sudu movement baya sudu nini andolon baya pressure ni kong sung khlaimano sung bahke pressure ronai sung idaning ang khakabo sung bo wagra tuno saja sung salai bo item bo system bo boro sung pressure ronai sung abdi salai nai secondly very most important ang balai khana tong thojak place ang balai khusingjak chini thinang chini gam bondoro haina hai naw phirau phaika bisir chini Biswamohan Deb Borma ang mona ব্যক্তিগত কামকে চিনিব এই chini Upendra Diang te kabang ma chini neta rok ang joto bonor sinibaigo boro onek boshin poribo after 30 years 35 years boro tin ki fili phaika tebe hambai marago boro ison hambai marago boro kothang kaham kurang khlaibo ki fili phaika boro tin se maman chonai tapos saimano chini ki bro saro kabang ma system te kabang ma angle te je movement khlaio a movement joto ti phasa hamkani bagai kebo movement khlaio through armed struggle kebo khlaio politically kebo socially bhai kabang ma jeng movement khlaio tamna karone jeng mthangana bagai chini justice mana bagai jeng social justice malia economic justice maya education justice maya jeng joto kam ka saimano jeng tipra hastego chini tipra saro or indigenous people ro or son of the soil chini han nok phang ro jeng justice ma eng tongmani abo gotono saimano su jeng simia sara baran bar bosho boro bhaino tuluk boro saimaka je ote braijago jeng giprai bungkha jeng justice malia chini economic justice chini social justice political justice education justice even language justice jeng malia abo srai sai ngai thangka nang CPM pa khaidi congress pa khaidi BJP pa khaidi jeng kaham ka saimano orani tipra saro orani indigenous people ro boron justice maya abo to bibinno angle tegi jeng movement khlaigo ang balai ki hambai marna chini Biswamohan Deb Borma no tei open diang no borono balai hambai marnai boro bakaisa wansogui boro kaisa tini agreement ni boro phaika boroni details in saimia ko kini boro dialogue cholenai boro bhaino angkha ko chini Indian government bo boro respect marnai kini boro long term struggle boro 35 years struggle ni boro nangye boro ya jeng saimano Biswamohan Deb Borma khoroksa graduate bo BA pass khaija graduate student bo 100 bo chakri khai tongmani bo chakri ya kai bo thangkha chini open diang bo master degree complete khaija oba hai chini intellectual group ro boro ka phirawi phika angkha ko boro bhaino through democratic system peaceful way boro chini boro no boro seba khainai chini hadok ne boro chinta khainai awan sogo moni boi ang boro balai hambai maro te kabang ma chini bondu tongo NLFT ADTF te kabang ma dol je phainai ro boro no ang gifil phainai ro balai hambai marna te boro no bagi chini surinai te boro no tei jing bhaino wan solainai tada chini ti bravo chini ti dafaro bahai khlaiseng katal khlaiseng lama hingai chini boro no bagi chini seba khainai chini bang develop khainai abo ching mo wan solainai
ong nislai serang phaiei police nai mathano bai romjabe along dog talangjak rok tore tong ki ase
angabo detail khormaya ko amna wan soi tongo jeng boro clearing yako boro tabok police ni abo tongo boro joto open club boro malai ni yako amang khanaka kheba angkha ko kabang ma samasya tongmano abo basaba siat ding mano ba siding mano abo tei boro wan soi tongo chini kabang ma boro rok abo hai basa romjawi tongo boro oboi tongo police kasih tongo boro chen angkha ko boro abo tei boro wan songnai boro salainai boro bhaino onek intellectual boro saimano boro dokani ba wan songmani hakao boro srai ke ang obono porskar ngmaya ko tamakeba ang khaganai obono jotto je boroni bedeg ro boroni bodol no kaham kurang khlaiye mane borong tobna bage ang request kenai
ante Biswamohan Deb Borma song agreement khlaimani yaglo mani ko koto boro popthum panda khaben bisingde sakala kya da abone teni dinena bongni phajingo mane bongni bisingo khoroksa ko bongni senior leader no ko tobi phaikalo mongni yogi phaikan koktoma ngabai keno ene botte khoroksa ba keno nobo
aborona ang suk clear idea kroi ang boroba su idani go tas bu kroi aborona su saimia abo borona sinai tamaka ang hase political leadership goi abo bising basan ko na su saimia ang asuna sanam su go je boro chini ase good friend hase de chini Biswamohan ang hamke sino back to do be upeno bo ar khoroksa ni classmate ang boy por laija abongoi ang boro jas boron bong hambai maronai boron hambai ro ang te bising basan corona ase detail ang sia
বলঙত তংলৈ বা অনাই খাই দেবাসনা মুক্তি খাইনে একমাত্র আমি আসলে সাবান মুক্তি কা পলিটিক্স ফাইন থানচাকা চবা খাইন দেবাসনা মথাং আকম সাকন রেছা
Hai abuya. Bharat Sadin Bhakya Makaba. From various angles. Bharat Sadin Hai Nimaya. So Gandhi is seen no Bharat Sadin Tone Abuya. Netajibu Obdan Tongo. Gandhi Obdan Tongo. Board angle takes important pressure. Glasi Ankakago. Soon, Chini, the Nahurmum or success in line. Therefore, I'm going to respect you. I'm going to burn Chini Bishaman Bafana, very respect you. Makababu, their own way. Borobo grievances, borne demand, borne Nahurmum, Borobo express Kaika. Kindu Abangi, the Kuno Sadin Kenya, Doha Matanga Hankai, Ankakago, Aronio Putung Kasang, Mane Temrang, Borokaham, Kubui, mix up place Ankakago. Movement kai khangkla ang khako chini bagi belai ka hamong nai bani bagi ang oboto bus stop tungsu saimana bara chading khore bahina kabang ma angle de kabang ma ni system khlai bara movement khlai tipra agi obostha kintu ang khaka nai tamang kheba for long lasting bai hen peaceful movement democratic movement abone long lasting nai kintu through violence through ni no bahage abo long term maya kintu for the long running for the permanent bagi hen kai ang khako through peaceful and democratic movement, like Hankano, Ankako, Chindofa, Chiniha, Matangal.